Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the craziest depth effect lock screen apps I have tried recently. So this is not just another wallpaper app. This app lets you completely customize your lock screen with stunning depth wallpapers, live clock effects, parallax movement, weather animations, and so much more. So you can customize the clock, date, fonts, color, add rain, snow, sakura flower effect, and even turn wallpapers black and white. And yes, you can also use your own photos to create custom depth effect wallpapers. And the best part is, the app works on almost every Android phone. So whether you use Samsung, Xiaomi, Pixel, OnePlus, Nothing phone, or any other Android device, you can use this app too. And please make sure to watch till the end because I spoke with the developer of this app and he has agreed to give the first 50 viewers 1 month free of premium access completely free. I'll explain how to get it later on in the video. So let's begin. So once you open the app, this is the first page you'll see, the category sections. And honestly, this is where things already start looking very impressive. So you get around 16 different wallpaper collections to choose from. So here we'll go ahead and open up one of these categories. Let's say, for example, aerospace here. So here you'll find wallpapers related to airplanes, skies, planets, astronauts, and space themes. The cool thing is every wallpaper has a unique depth effect setup. So some wallpapers place a clock on the side, some in the center, and each one creates a completely different lock screen. And if your phone has an AMO LED display, these wallpapers look absolutely stunning. Now when you enable the parallax effect, wow, just look at this. So tilting your phone makes the clock and the wallpaper move smoothly to the left, right, up and down. Basically, it gives a real 3D effect. And if you're an anime fan, you're going to love this section as you get high quality 4K anime wallpapers featuring many popular characters. So here's an example. You have Naruto, you have Jujutsu, Kaisen, and you have the Monkey D. Luffy as well. Now there's also a superhero category, and for car lovers, there is a turbo category. So here you'll find wallpapers related to Corvette, Lamborghini, Porsche, Ferraris, and many more. Now, if you still don't find what you want, just go ahead and tap on this Explore tab. And here you can go ahead and browse some random wallpapers. You can find the free wallpapers. You can see the premium wallpapers. Here you can go ahead and check out the featured ones. And here, what is more popular? So what is trending at the moment right now? If you still don't find it, go ahead and do a search. And here, just go ahead and search for your wallpapers. Say, for example, Porsche. And here you'll see all the wallpapers related to Porsche. Now let's talk about the best part of this app, the customization. So this is where the app really shines. So here's an example. Let's go ahead and choose a wallpaper. So for example, this wallpaper here. So while applying a wallpaper, you can go ahead and fully customize the clock style. So here you can go ahead and choose different time formats. You can choose different typography. So you can have the spacing. You can do the alignments. You can even change the colors around. You can position it over the foreground or have it in the background. You can have effects on it as well, enable stroke and shadows. You can even transform it, so you can go ahead and move this and give this a 3D effect on it. So it's basically whatever you want here. So you can customize the date, you can customize the text, you can even rotate the clock and create the iPhone style depth effect look on your Android phone. So there are honestly so many editing and customization options available here that you can spend a lot of time just creating your perfect lock screen setup. And then go ahead and tap on this effect tab. And here you can go ahead and apply the rain effect, the snow effect, and this sakura flower effect. So if I go ahead and look at the snow effect, if I go ahead and tap on apply, this is what you're going to get. Now you can go ahead and configure this even more by tapping on properties here. You can go ahead and choose your speed. You can go ahead and choose the directions. You can go ahead and choose the density and the size of those particles. So if I tap on apply, you basically see more snow here falling on your background. So these effects make the wallpaper look absolutely amazing. So for people who don't have the weather wallpaper effect on their phone, this gives you a very similar premium experience on your lock screen. Now, one important thing to note, these weather effects are visual effects only. They don't automatically change based on the real weather outside. Still, they look incredibly good. Now next up is your parallax effect. So here I can go ahead and enable 3D parallax effect to the clock and the date. So if I turn this on, I can go ahead and configure this by changing the sensitivity. But if you just leave it as it is, if I press apply, this is what your lock will look like. So moving your phone left or right, up or down, your clock will basically move according to that. Isn't that cool? Now here's something I honestly haven't seen in many wallpaper apps. You can actually request your own photo to be converted into a depth effect wallpaper. Yes, you can upload your own image and they can turn it into a stunning 3D parallax wallpaper with depth effect. So there is a small fee for this service, but think about it. How many wallpaper apps actually allow this? And according to the developer, your uploaded photos remain private and are not shared publicly. Only you have access to it. Now, next in settings, you have extra features. So there's a lot of smaller features inside the app that makes the overall experience even better. So for example, you can go ahead and scroll down and find here, use 24-hour clock. So you can enable this if you want to see 24-hour clocks. If I scroll down a bit, you can even show the battery percentage while charging. So if I go ahead and start charging my battery, you'll see that on my lock screen, you'll see the battery percentage. Now next, you can go ahead and configure the wallpaper settings. So you can show content on lock screen, show content on your home screen. You have your percentage to show on your clock or your date. And here you can go ahead and enable the clock animation. So when you go ahead and wake it up, you can go ahead and make it fade and scale, slide up, slide down, slide left, and many more here. So we'll just go ahead and try one. Let's say, for example, slide left. We'll go ahead and lock our phone, wake it up, and you'll see that effect of sliding in from the left. Now, another really useful thing is a built-in guide. So if you go ahead and scroll all the way up here, you'll see this section here, which basically shows you how to hide your system clock. So if you tap on this, you'll find tutorials on how to hide the default system clocks on different phones like your Samsung, your Pixel, Xiaomi, OnePlus, Nothing Phone, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Motorola, Huawei, Asus, and the Sony phones. So even if your phone normally doesn't support this kind of setup, they actually help you configure it properly. So overall, guys, I genuinely think this is a fantastic wallpaper app. So the app is called DepX Live Clock Wallpapers, and it's available on the Play Store. So when you first download it, you'll get access to free wallpapers. But if you want 1 month of premium access, then check the link in the description below. Fill in your name and email address in the Google form, and I'll send out the premium codes shared by the developer. But remember, this is only for the first 50 users. After that, you need to purchase the premium subscription normally. And yes, I also have access to the premium wallpapers, so I'll probably show you more of them in the future videos too. So go ahead and download the app, try it yourself, and support the developer because they're doing a really good job keeping this app updated and running smoothly. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications for more Android customization videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.